Hey everyone, I'm Luke from Weldpro, and today I'm here with another tip on MIG welding that's going to make your life a little easier. Most people understand that when you MIG weld, you need to hold down the trigger so that the wire continues to feed throughout your entire weld. Many MIG welders, particularly the ones offered by Weldpro, will include a 2T or 4T trigger option selector on the front of the machine. The button to switch between 2T and 4T simply changes the behavior of the trigger from a momentary switch to a toggle on-off. You may have seen this switch and wondered what it was for. Well, the 2T option is simply to keep the trigger switch as a momentary switch, meaning you have to hold it or squeeze it to cause wire to feed and the arc to start. Switching over to 4T trigger mode and toggling the wire feed on and off can be a great way to run lengthy welds. Your finger can get tired holding down the trigger over the course of extremely long welds. The 2T4T selector is a very cool feature on these machines, but if you don't know what you're looking for, you won't effectively know how to use it. Hopefully this video gave you a little more information on the difference between 2T and 4T trigger switch selection. Thanks again for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave those below. And as always, we can't wait to see what you build with your brand new Weldpro machine.